Top 5 mistakes car owners make. Owning a car is more than just driving. It's about proper care and attention to keep it running smoothly. Yet, even seasoned car enthusiasts can make costly errors. Hello, Firians. Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Let's dive into the top 5 mistakes car owners make and how avoiding these can save you time, money, and stress. Life gets busy. It's easy to skip oil changes or engine checkups. But neglecting basic maintenance can lead to significant engine wear and decreased performance. Always follow your car's maintenance schedule to keep it running like new. Remember, small investments now prevent big, expensive problems later. Your car isn't one size fits all when it comes to fluids. Using the wrong engine oil, coolant, or transmission fluid can damage critical systems. Always double-check your owner's manual and use recommended fluids. A little research can go a long way in ensuring your car's health and longevity. Ever seen a warning light and decided to deal with it later? You're not alone, but this can be a costly mistake. Warning lights signify issues that need immediate attention. Diagnose and address the problem as soon as possible to avoid turning small repairs into massive expenses. Your car has limits, and overloading it strains its suspension, brakes, and tires. Regularly carrying too much weight not only reduces fuel efficiency, but also accelerates wear and tear. Always stick to your car's weight limit. Your vehicle and wallet will thank you. Your tires are the only contact point between your car and the road, yet they're often overlooked. Driving on worn-out tires or neglecting proper air pressure affects performance and safety. Check your tires regularly and rotate them for even wear. Never compromise on tire quality. It's worth every penny. Caring for your car is easier when you know what to avoid. By steering clear of these common mistakes, you'll keep your ride performing at its best for years. Subscribe for more car care tips and repair tricks. Start treating your car like the star it is. Your car deserves it.